Hello students, welcome to session organized by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education under the Learning Management System. In session, we are discussing about painting. In painting rate analysis, contents are construction details of work, types of paints, defects of paints, variable of paints found in India, analysis of rate problems. Construction details of painting work. Paints. The paints are coating of fluid materials and they are applied over the surface of timber and metals and also cement surfaces. Paint is a liquid composition. After application, it is converted to a solid film. Composition of paint. First one is pigment to provide color, hiding and control gloss. Second, resin, the binder to hold the pigment particles together and provide addition to the surface painted. Solvent to act as a carrier for the pigments and resin. The solvent may be organic or inorganic, such as mineral or water. Additives, they enhance a certain properties such as easy of brushing, mold resistance, scuff resistance, drying and sag resistance. Types of paints. Paints are categorized in the seven groups: oil paint, synthetic paint, emulsion paints, cellulose paints, varnishes, water paints, and special paints. Painting defects: bleeding, blistering, blooming, brush marks, chalking, seizing, flaking. In we are discuss one by one. Bleeding. What it means bleeding? It's an disruption and staining of the painted surface by chemical action. It happens when an incorrect paint is applied over another, such as bituminous one. The remedy is to remove the old paint and renew with a like one. Here we mentioned picture for bleeding. This type of defects occur. Second one is blistering. It is a common failure caused by poor adhesion or by moisture pushing off the paint. It is prevented by having a dry background, proper priming and removal of every tenacious knots. You see here blistering. This is blistering. Third one is blooming. It is a mistiness which can appear on varnished or highly glossed surfaces. Due to this presence of moisture, draughts are forced during application or condensation on newly painted areas. Remedy is to repaint. Brush marks. These may be due to paint being too stiff by poor workmanship or by brushing over paint which has partially set. They are removed by rubbing down with waterproof adhesive followed by repainting. Chalking. Chalking means it getting powder form of surface. It is the powdering of a paint film usually on exposed outside surfaces. It is sign that repainting is necessary and may be due to poor quality paint. Seizing. Seizing, failure of paint to adhere properly to a surface. Last one is flaking. The detachment of paint film the breaking of coating. Painting the woodwork steps involved in painting the woodwork. First one, preparation of surfaces. The new wood should be seasoned and it must be dried before painting. The surface of the wood should be cleaned and nails should be punched below the surfaces. Knotting. Knotting. The knots covered with suitable material is called knotting. First coat. After knotting, the primer coat is applied on the surface of the wood. It is usually applied before the woodwork is fixed. Second coat. This coat is applied after a knotting and priming coat. Each coat applied longitudinally in thin film and crossed so that no brush mark is seen on this painted surface. Final coat. This coat is applied over the second coat without any brush mark. Surface preparation for enamel painting. A previously painted wooden surfaces must be properly sanded to remove any dust or grease. Apply wood primer by brush after a thinning to given ratio by recommended thinner. Third one is allow it to dry for 6 to 8 hours, then apply putty. Sand the applied putty with number 180 sandpaper and then apply second coat of wood primer. Now the wood surface is ready for painting with the top coat. In paints, two types of paints, interior and exterior. In interior, walls, metal and wood. Exteriors for walls, emulsion, textured cement. In interior, for walls, we are using distemper, luster, enamel emulsion, metal, enamel paint, wood finish. Emulsion is two types, interior and exterior. Variable of interior emulsions stand in India: Asian Paint, Dulux, Nerolac, Burger, Nippon, etc. Exterior emulsions: variable oil paints found in India: Asian Paint, Dulux, Nerolac, etc. Different companies are there. We are depend upon budget. We are fixing the company. In analysis of rates for following work, first one, painting. Wall painting, two or more coats with plastic emulsion paint of approved brand, take 100 square meter. In tabular column we are mentioned serial number, particulars, quantity, rate per unit, amount. In material, plastic emulsion paint for two coats, total quantity of paint is 12 liters and present rate is rupees 320 per liter. Multiply 12 into 320, 3840 we get. Putty for filling holes or knots around 5 kgs, rupees 50 per kg, 5 into 50 to 50 rupees. Scaffolding for painting, it takes lump sum 500 rupees. In labors, admission, admission is head painter, painter, helpers and accessories, tools, brushes, sandpapers, etc. We taking that is in lump sum. Admission is of painter 6, helper 6. One painter we take one helper. In present rate for head painter rupees 1000 per day, and painter is 600 per day, helpers 450 per day. We multiplying off into 1500, 6 into 600, 3600, 6 into 450, 2700. And brushes are lump sum, that is 500 rupees. And third one is tools and plants, that is also in lump sum, we taking 1000 rupees. Total 12,890 rupees. We are adding here also 1% of water and contractor 10% of contractor profit for total amount. We get total grand total is 14,320 rupees. We rounded off 14,500. Rate per unit, rate per 100 square meter, 14,500 per 100 rupees, 145 rupees per square meter. And second problem is painting two coats including primer coat for new woodwork or iron work. In this we take 100 square meter of area and areas for serial number, particulars, quantity, rate per unit, amount. First materials, primer paint is 6 liters, enamel paint 12 liters. We multiply primer coat in present rate is rupees 310 per liter, 6 into 310, 1260 rupees around. Enamel paints 12 liters into 380, 2280 rupees. Labors admission of painter 10, helpers 10, brush and sandpaper lump sum amount of into 1500, 10 into 600, 6000, 10 into 450, 4500. Lump sum we take 1000. And third one is tools and plant, that is also in lump sum 1000. Total 16,540. We are adding water charges and contractor profit. We get all grand total 18,375 rupees. Round off 18,500. Rate per 100 square meter 18,500 divided by 100 rupees, 185 per square meter. References: B.N. Datta, Estimation and Costing in Civil Engineering, UBS Publisher Distribution Limited. Second one is H.S. Vishwanath, Estimation and Costing, Sapna Book House. Thank you.